Frame Relay is a wide-area networking protocol designed to serve the needs of companies that need something between dedicated, always-connected leased lines and dial-up ISDN. Frame Relay is a shared, packet-switched, connectionless, permanent connection designed to support data services. However, there have been some voice offerings associated with Frame Relay. As we discussed in the last lesson, packet-switched networks share bandwidth across a service provider's switched network. All traffic is packetized and addressed just like an Ethernet network and inserted into the flow of traffic. Frame Relay is connectionless, so data can just be sent when it's ready and does not have to wait for a connection to be established. The connection is considered permanent because the corporate customer has a permanent connection into the switched network. Corporations purchase access to the packet switch network. The cost for this service depends on how many sites are connected and how much bandwidth is required at each site. Typically, the main corporate site gets a large amount of bandwidth and the remote sites get lesser amounts. Frame Relay works best in environments in which multiple sites, generally this means 5 or more, all need to communicate on a regular basis. In this situation, leased lines are too expensive, and ISDN dial-up is both difficult and expensive. However, Frame Relay isn't a universal solution. For instance, using Frame Relay with fewer than 5 sites might actually be more expensive than using leased lines. Well, that's enough background for now. We'll talk more about Frame Relay in the next couple of lessons. Okay, we've all learned a whole lot about wide-area network communication over the last few days, so it's time for a quiz. What's the best protocol for a WAN connection? I hope someone said it depends on several variables, because it does. Selecting a protocol depends on the number of sites that need to communicate, the volume of data to be transferred, and how often communication is required between the sites. The answer could be leased lines, ISDN, or Frame Relay, or it could even be all three. Large companies with many offices often use leased lines, Frame Relay, and dial-up ISDN for their wide-area networking.